Alright guys, I got something in the mail from Tony from CCxRC. Ordered some stuff from him. Let's open this bad boy and see. Something cool. I got one of his, got one of his little stickers. You put one of his stickers in there. Cool. And then I got one of his can cozies, beer cozies. And this is what I wanted. Oh, all sorts of stickers in there and stuff. Oh, it gave me another cozy too. Right on. Got some more stickers. CCxRC. Smoking Motors Club. Cool, I can put some of those on my car. I'm finally put them on my wall. I've been meaning to get one from him for a long time. And this is what I wanted right here, guys. Check that out. This is actually heavy. I thought it was a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be. So, little parts tray, right? And all these come out. These actually stick too. If you wanted to look like they stick on something, maybe. So all these come out so you can do parts and stuff inside them. That's awesome. I wanted to get one of these and I saw that he got his own little setup now. You can get them at CCxRC.com. And I think they were out of stock last time I saw them, but I'm sure they'll be back in stock, especially since they sold out so fast. But yeah, just take all those out and throw your parts inside there, guys. Your screws. It's magnetic, so everything sticks to it. So there you go. Just a quick little video, guys, on from CCxRC. Appreciate it, Tony. All the stickers too. That's cool. So you'll be seeing this on my mat a lot. This will just be working on there because you can throw your car on there too, you know, and work on it or whatever, right? So there you go. Check him out. I'll leave a link below. His channel and all that. He's a good guy. Go check out his channel. Lots of 24 scale stuff right now. So check him out. Thanks for watching, guys.